In this video, we're going to take a look at how we set up our HTML page in Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. We open Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to begin by opening a folder. So much of building websites is about file management, so I've created a folder on my computer that is titled HTML. I click Open Folder, and I find the root to this folder. Once I open my folder, I see the folder in the left-hand side of Visual Studio Code. I'm going to create my first page. I click New File. I am going to name my first page index.html. All of our HTML pages will end with an extension of HTML. I have my index.html open. Let's begin with setting up an HTML file. We begin each HTML file by specifying the file type. I type the following: doctype HTML. Doctype HTML tells the browser what type of document this is. Now we need our HTML tags. This will ensure that we can add HTML to the structure of this page. I type my opening and closing HTML tags. I have my opening HTML tag. I have my closing HTML tag. As I take a closer look at the structure of my HTML page, each page will have a head and a body. I begin first with my opening and closing head tags. After my opening and closing head tags, I add my opening and closing body tags. Inside of the head, we place our title. So in between the head tags, I add my title tags. I have my opening and closing title tags. In between my title tags, I'm going to type HTML overview. The title will render at the top of the browser and will be the information that will appear when we place it as a bookmark. The title will appear on the browser panel. As we work in Visual Studio Code, we can hover and get more information about the different tags that we are working with. We can get more information on the HTML elements. Inside of the head, we will create links to our external CSS and JavaScript files. As we move to the body, all of the content that we see on the web page will be placed in between these two body tags. We've saved our initial page as index.html, and we are ready to start working more with our HTML elements.